friends, I am Suchi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about amphibolic pathway. Before we will go for its details, first we will understand what do you mean by amphibolic. Here, amphi means both. There are a number of biochemical reactions occurring inside our body. Those biochemical reactions perform both anabolic and catabolic reaction. Is described as amphibolic reaction. Here, that particular biochemical reaction performing both anabolic and catabolic reaction. Anabolic means synthesis. During this anabolic reaction phase, one substrate will combine with any other substrate or enzyme to form a new substrate or new product or molecule. But in this catabolic reaction, substrate will break down or degrade to form smaller molecule. For example of this amphibolic pathway, you can take glycolysis, Krebs cycle. For detailed understanding, we will take the example of Krebs cycle as we are reading about this respiratory pathway. Carbohydrate, fat and protein we are consuming as nutrient to get energy from those nutrients in the form of ATP. From these three, carbohydrate, protein and fat, only carbohydrate is entering from the beginning of respiratory pathway to give us energy. Glycolysis process, one glucose molecule break down to form, first it will break or split to form phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Then both will form pyruvic acid. In this glycolysis process, one glucose molecule break to form two molecules of pyruvic acid. This glucose molecule is 6 carbon containing molecule. This pyruvic acid is 3 carbon containing molecule. So, one 6 carbon containing molecule or bigger molecule break to form two smaller molecule or two molecule of pyruvic acid, which is 3 carbon containing molecule. So, this is a catabolic reaction. Here, molecule is breaking down to form smaller molecule. After that, this pyruvic acid is converting into acetyl coenzyme A. And it is entering into Krebs cycle by combining with oxaloacetic acid, which is the end product of Krebs cycle. And this Krebs cycle occurring in the matrix part of mitochondria. So in Krebs cycle, oxaloacetic acid, which is a 4 carbon containing molecule, combining with acetyl coenzyme A, which is 2 carbon containing molecule. Both are combiningly form citric acid. this citric acid converting into number of substrate. In between you will find alpha ketoglutarate. This alpha ketoglutarate is converting into succinic acid, then fumaric acid or fumarate, then it is converting into malic acid or malate, then this malic acid or malate converting into oxaloacetic acid, which is the end product of this Krebs cycle. Then it is combining with once again acetyl coenzyme to continue or to start this Krebs cycle once again. So this is a catabolic reaction, and during this Krebs cycle we are getting ATP, NADH2 and FADH2. This is the pathway for carbohydrate, but for fat and protein, they are not directly entering from the beginning of this respiratory pathway. If we go for fat, first fat will break to form fatty acid and glycerol. Then this fatty acid will convert into acetyl coenzyme. Then it will continue this Krebs cycle in the form of acetyl coenzyme. If we go for this glycerol, it will convert into pyruvic acid. Then in this pyruvic acid form, it will enter into or it will continue this respiratory pathway. Similarly, if we go for protein, first this protein will break to form amino acid by the help of protease enzyme, and by deamination process it will form keto acid, which is pyruvic acid. At this step it will enter in this respiratory pathway. When body will need the respective fat or protein, that time what will happen? This acetyl coenzyme will stop here. It will not continue this Krebs cycle. It will go for synthesis of this fatty acid. Similarly, when body will need this amino acid or this protein, this pyruvic acid will first will convert into different amino acid, then it will form this protein. At that time, it will not continue this Krebs cycle or further process of respiratory pathway. So in this way, this Krebs cycle is performing both anabolic and catabolic reaction. If we will see this substrate, this oxaloacetic acid synthesizing number of amino acid which are non-essential. For example, you can take aspartate, methionine, lysine, threonine. This alpha ketoglutarate will form glutamate, which is also another one non-essential amino acid. This pyruvic acid form, here I am writing alanine, leucine, isoleucine, halide. Similarly, before pyruvic acid, another one substrate is forming from this phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. That one is phosphoenol pyruvic acid. This phosphoenol pyruvic acid also synthesizing phenylalanine, tyrosine. So this is all about amphipolic pathway, and the best example of this amphipolic pathway is Krebs cycle. Hope you understand. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.